Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Call me Among Rachel Vicky. Today we are going to talk about something small in mail merge. We are majorly going to talk about mail merge. So we are going to talk about what mail merge is, the importance and the steps that we can follow to perform mail merge. So let me open my Word document here. So as you can see from this work, we are looking at mail merge. We are going to talk about the theoretical part of it, the definition, the importance of mail merging, and the steps in performing a mail merge in Microsoft Word. So let's start with the definition. It's majorly a tool that allows you to create a batch of personalized documents such as letters, emails, labels, and envelopes by combining a template with a data source. So that is how the definition goes about, majorly a tool that allows you to create a batch of personalized documents such as letters, maybe emails, would be labels and envelopes by combining a template with a data source. So that is the definition. So straight away, let's go to the importance of mail merging. So as you can see here, we are having some of the few importances of mail merging, and one of them is that it saves time and effort. So how does it save time and effort? Like, instead of manually creating each individual document, mail merge automates a process allowing you to generate hundreds of personalized documents at once. So you can generate all these documents at once instead of creating each individual document. So that is how in that way it saves time and the effort that you can use in making your work. So that is one of the importances. The next importance is that personalization at scale. So what do you mean by this? Mail merge majorly allows you to personalize mass communications with specific details like names, could be addresses, and other relevant information from a database. Then another one is that it reduces errors, like when you're performing your work, like by putting data directly from a single reliable source. Mail merge minimizes the risk of human errors that can occur during repetitive manual data entry, such as typos or like inconsistencies. So in that way, it can be able to reduce the errors when you're performing your work. Then it also ensures consistency in work. Like using a single template for all documents, it ensures that formatting layout and overall message remains consistent across all communications, which is vital for maintaining mainly like a professional image. That is majorly how it ensures consistency. Then also it's effective for bulk communication, as in you want to send out your communications to very many people at once. So you can use this mail merge to help you communicate to different people at once. In that way, it's effective for bulk communication. Like, it's highly useful for businesses. It can be useful for businesses in case you want to communicate. Then also schools, like to effectively communicate with a large number of people. So in this way, it's effective. So another way is another importance is that it enhances data management. It allows you to segment your audience and send targeted communications based on the specific criteria. In that way, it enhances the data management. So those are some of the few importances of mail merging that we are going to talk about. So the next thing I'm going to talk about are the steps. Which steps do we have to follow when we are performing a mail merge in Microsoft Office Word? So these are some of the steps. I'll explain them one by one. The first step is you prepare your data source. The second is you create the main document. Then after, you select your recipients, the ones who will receive those messages. Then you insert the merge fields and preview and finish. So the first step, we said you have to first prepare your data source. The data source, where are you going to get this data from that you're going to do the mail merging on? So you have to first prepare your data source, like you organize your recipients' information in a structured format, such as it could be Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet or an Outlook contact list. So you have to first organize the recipients' information, the ones who are going to receive the information. You have to organize them. So after that, you ensure your data is clean and also has a header, row with a clear column headings, for example, the first name, the last name, even the email address, all this one are in the recipient's information. Then also two headers will become your merge fields. That is what you should know. So that is under preparing your data source. Then the next step is you create the main document. After preparing the data source, you should now create the main document. Like you can open Microsoft Word and start a new blank document. Then you go to Mailings tab on the ribbon and a new blank on the ribbon and click Start Mail Merge. Then after you select the type of document you want to create, for example, could be labels, it could be letters or email messages. So those ones could be the type of document that you want to create. You may be having letters, maybe you want to create letters, then you send out to your recipients, then could be labels or email messages. So that is your main document. It acts as your main document. Then after you select your recipients, as I talked about here, you click select recipients in the mailings tab. Then after you choose an existing list. Then you navigate to and select your saved Excel file or other data source. Then after now you insert the merge fields. You write the content on your main document where you want to insert personalized information. Then you click insert merge field from the mailings tab, as you can see. Then after select a corresponding field from your data source. You can also use an address block and routing line options for standard formatting. Then after you preview and finish, after doing all that, you have to now preview and finish. How do we do this? Like to see how your final documents will look, click preview results in the mailings tab. So that is how you preview your work. You have to click on the preview results in the mailing tab. Then you use the arrow buttons to cycle through each recipient's personalized document and check for any errors. Then, so those are some of the steps that you have to follow when performing a mail merge. Then after doing all that, you have to print all your documents. Then after printing your documents, then you send the email messages to them electronically. So that is how we perform our mail merge. So thanks for listening. I hope you've picked something small. Please follow, like, and subscribe. Thank you.